episode 1. So this is the first episode in the reflooring project that I talked to you all about. And in this episode, you're going to see me pulling out the carpet. I didn't film a lot of that, just a couple still pictures. And it's also going to show me installing the underlayment in the master bedroom. The reason I had to install underlayment is because we wanted to bring the new flooring up to the same height as the old flooring so that when I transition out of the bedroom, it would be a level transition. We are starting in the master bedroom because our wonderful dogs got freaked out and stressed out and messed up by moving into the new house, and they urinated all over the carpet in the master bedroom. So what I've done already is I've pulled most of the carpet up. There's a few patches left underneath the bed. The padding was picked up as well. I have taken almost all of the tack board for the carpet. You see that red stripe there, the wood, taken that off. So that's off around everywhere pretty much except behind the bed here that I haven't done yet. And I've pulled all the staples and nails out of the floor. I've taken off the baseboard because the whole floor is going to be higher. So you have to take the baseboard off, otherwise the baseboard is going to look too short when the project's complete. And ultimately what I'm going to do is make the laminate floor we're putting in here, most likely we will be going over this engineered hardwood in the rest of the house. And yeah, a lot of you are probably wondering why you're going over that floor. Well, it's a brand new floor, first of all, brand new house, brand new floor, but we really don't like this floor. The color's a little dark, but more importantly, you could see right here, it chips very easily. Anything we do to this floor, if you drop anything, you bump anything, the floor chips. Janet slid this table over without picking it up, put a big gouge in the floor. So we'll be going over this floor with a much lighter laminate, and I wanted the floors to be flush. So because this is subfloor and the hardwood is raised up, I got some sheets of plywood that I will be putting down underneath the laminate so that the floor level will be flush with this engineered hardwood. So when I put the laminate down, I won't need a transition. I could just go from room to room and it's all going to be one level flat surface. Now, this engineered hardwood was slightly a weird thickness, so I couldn't find any standard plywood or sheet wood that was the exact same thickness as that. So this plywood that I got is maybe about a 1/16 of an inch too high to be flush. So what I'm going to do is in that doorway and then the doorway into the other bedrooms or my office where there is still carpet, I will just sand down the plywood. So I have a power sander and I'm just going to sand down the edge of the plywood so it transitions more into the other room and everything will be much smoother and level. And we'll show that in a different video when I get to that part of the project, probably in another week or so. But right now I just laid some of this new subfloor down and I'm going to liquid nail it to the floor and screw it down so it's all flat and solid and won't creak or move or pop up, and then move all the furniture around and finish the rest of the floor. And maybe next week or whenever, maybe even tomorrow, if I get this all done quick enough, I may start laying some of the laminate. So more to come later. Bye. Hope you enjoyed the episode. And for now, the garage is closed.